How to make a face mask. The Center for Disease Control, CDC, has recommended that you wear a face mask when leaving your home. You will probably notice that there aren't face masks available to buy at the store. So we will show you a short and simple video on how to make a face mask. Please note that the following three groups of individuals should not use a face mask. 1. Children under the age of 2. 2. Anyone who has trouble breathing. 3. A person who is unconscious, incapacitated, or unable to remove the mask on their own. Now here's a short video on how to make a face mask.